Cutting the boards for the structure of the water flow spore trap. We will start by measuring and marking the dimensions on the 4 quadrat wooden boards. Once marked, we use a saw to cut each board carefully. Preparing the boards for assembly. First, making the holes. We start by marking 4 holes in each corner of 3 wooden quadrat boards. On one of the boards, we measure and mark a circle in the center. Using a thin drill bit, we drill holes at the 4 marked points, ensuring that all boards remain aligned during the process. On one board, we drill 2 mm deep in the 4 corners using a force nut bit to sink in the drive-in nuts. 4. We then drill through those same points to allow proper placement of the drive-in nuts. 5. Finally, we hammer each of the 4 drive-in nuts into the designed holes, ensuring a tight and secure fit. Installing the threaded rods. First, we measure and cut 4 threaded rods to the required length. Second, smoothing the edges. Using an angle grinder, we smooth the edge of each rod to remove any sharp areas. Third, placing the first nut. We screw a nut at 1/3 of the length of each rod to help position the boards correctly. Fourth, securing the rods to the base board. We attach the 4 rods to the base board by inserting them into a drive-in nut, securing them with a disc and an additional nut to ensure stability. Assembling the boards and installing the electric box. 1. Cut a circular hole in the center of the previously marked board using a circle cutter. This hole will hold the container. 2. Drill 4 holes in the middle board for the rods. And then attach 2 angle brackets to support the board that will hold the electrical box. Three, install the electrical box onto this additional board. Four, insert the middle section through the rods and secure it with washers and nuts. Montaging the fan. 1. Use the fan's existing 4 holes as a reference to drill matching holes in the top board where the fan will be installed. 2. Cut 4 pieces of rod for mounting the fan. Three, attach the rods to the fan and secure them with washers and nuts. Four, secure the fan onto the top board, ensuring it is facing downward to direct airflow into the system. Installation of the water circulation system. 1. Modify a purchase funnel. 2. Take a plastic hose for water circulation and make small holes in it using a heated nail. 3. Drill 2 holes in the funnel to secure the perforated plastic hose, which will distribute the water. 4. Drill a hole in the lower part of the funnel for the pump cable, the temperature sensor, and the water hose. 5. Use a tube as a container and cut it to the desired length. 6. Smooth the edges of the container. 7. To seal the bottom of the container, apply a bit of soapy water and firmly press the lid into place. 8. Cut the pump hose to the required length. 9. Drill a hole in the water container for the water level sensor, which will prevent pump damage from low water levels due to evaporation or leakage. 10. Install the water level sensor. Electrical system and final adjustments. 1. Power the fan for a moment to determine the positive and negative terminals and ensure it is pushing air downward toward the funnel. If not, rotate the fan accordingly. 2. Extend the wires by soldering them and insulate the soldered sections using heat shrink tubing with glue. 3. Assemble the electrical system. Install the electrical clamps and connect 3 of them. Install the temperature switch to stop the pump if the water freezes. Install a relay to control the pump via the water level sensor. And install a timer to regulate the working hours of the Spore trap. Four. Trim the funnel to the appropriate side if necessary. 5. Drill a hole in the base square board to allow the hose to pass through, enabling the water collection for later analysis. 6. Connect a plastic hose with a valve to release the sample water and facilitate cleaning. operating the spore trap and cleaning process. One, add water to the circulation system to ensure proper operation during the sampling period. 2. Observe how air potentially containing spores is pushed into the funnel and the water circulation system. 3. On the sampling date, collect all the water from the circulation system in a bottle for analysis. 4. After sampling, disinfect the entire water system. Fill the container with diluted bleach and let it circulate for a while. Then collect the diluted bleach along with any debris. And then refill the container with clean water. Let it circulate, drain it, and repeat this last step 3 times to ensure a thorough rinsing.